Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one Bitcoin Faucet website. You can claim your Faucet free from this website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. This is the website link available in description. You can claim 20 times daily and 2 BTC every time you can claim. Okay, put your Bitcoin wallet address in here. Go to your Faucet Pay, go to deposit, and you can copy your Bitcoin wallet address, this one, and you can paste in here. 20 times claim, you can claim, just click claim. Okay, and solve this letter capture. After clicking claim, and motorcycle, click the motorcycle available in this pic, and no other motorcycle I see, just click check. And it's wrong, I don't know. Oh, right now it's a bass or track. Okay, this two thing this page want, and just come down and click claim. Solve this letter capture. Is a 3, click 3. It's a 5, click 5. It's a 8, and it's a 2. Wait after 3 1 and click get reward. This website pay you instantly your 2 BTC to your Faucet Pay account. This is least because the Bitcoin price is right now is high. About that, this website pay you very least. Okay, this is the Faucet website pay me. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. This website link available in description. Bye bye.